Upon completion of this course module, students will be able to assess threats to and vulnerabilities of computer systems, provide subject matter expertise to the development of cyber operations specific indicators, identify threat tactics and methodologies, and monitor and report validated threat activities. In this course module, we will cover the fundamentals of threat intelligence and threat modeling. In particular, we present an overview of TI, maturity models of TI, the MITRE attack framework, the cyber kill chain, threat actors and courses of action as it pertains to cyber kill chain. So what is threat intelligence? Threat intelligence involves the analysis of adversary capabilities, motivations, and goals. When used in the cyberspace, it is referred to as cyber threat intelligence. It starts with collecting data. Essentially, it is the processing of and the analysis of data to arrive at actionable information. Models are used to effectively act on and generate intelligence. Two models that will be discussed are the observe, orient, decide, act, or OODA loop, and the intelligence cycle model. In the OODA loop, observe stands for data gathering from both internal and external sources. Orient is putting that data in context, correlating with other data and information. Decide entails brainstorming various actions, their capabilities, feasibilities, consequences, and costs. And act is a follow through with a chosen course of action. Here are the stages on the intelligence cycle model. The direction stage consists of the following. What question will be the intelligence answer? And what is the primary goal? In the collection stage, data collection is made to answer those questions. In processing, data processing activities such as normalization, indexing, sorting, filtering, prioritizing, and others are done. In the analysis stage, most systems use humans as primary analysis drivers. The goal is to answer the questions. In dissemination, the results of the data analytics are shared. And in the feedback stage, communication with top management and other stakeholders are made to gather the necessary decisions on the course of actions. The cyber threat intelligence capability maturity model is a hierarchy of processes that consists of 5 levels. Level 0, also called the initial level, is purely ad hoc process and is unpredictable. Level 1, or the repeatable level, is a reactive, volatile, and manual process. Level 2, or define, is a documented, standardized, and reviewable process. Level 3, or managed level, is proactive, metrics driven, and with some automation. Level 4, also called the optimized level, is automated, integrated, and predictable. MITRE ATT&CK is a globally accessible knowledge base of adversary tactics and techniques based on real-world observations. The attack knowledge base is used as foundation for the development of specific threat models and methodologies in the private sector, in the government, and in the cybersecurity product and service community. This slide depicts the MITRE attack framework. MITRE developed attack framework as a more technically detailed characterization of cyber attacks. ATT&CK stands for Adversarial Tactics, Techniques, and Common Knowledge. There are 3 high-level frameworks: enterprise, mobile, and industrial control systems. The stages of cyber attacks are very similar to the kill chain, but attack breaks down stages into multiple options and gets into specifics about how to perform a stage. A TTP defines how an adversary might go about accomplishing a cyber attack stage. A tactic is the highest level description of this behavior. Techniques give a more detailed description of behavior in the context of a tactic. Procedures are an even lower level, highly detailed description in the context of a technique. Beneath each stage in the framework is a list of techniques an adversary might use to accomplish the stage. Each technique is hyperlinked to a detailed page explaining that technique. Techniques have IDs and often associated sub-techniques. The term kill chain is a military concept related to the structure of an attack, consisting of target identification, force dispatch to target, decision and order to attack the target, and finally the destruction of the target. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the Cyber Kill Chain framework identifies what the adversaries must complete in order to achieve their objective. The Lockheed Martin Cyber Kill Chain consists of 7 mission stages. Number 1, reconnaissance. Number 2, weaponization. Number 3, delivery. Number 4, exploitation. Number 5, installation. Number 6, command and control. And number 7, actions on objectives. Understanding who the threat actors are and the methods of attack is critical to effective cyber defense. This is categorized using a military term as tactics, techniques, and procedures, or TTPs. Tactics refer to the art or skill in achieving a goal. Techniques are the methods that are employed that are often unique to the attacker. Example, specific signatures that might identify the writer of malware. The procedures are the actions that are taken during an attack, such as port scans and others. This table depicts the different types of threat actors with varying level of sophistication and expertise. A courses of action matrix is a table that shows the defensive capabilities available at each phase of the cyber kill chain. These defensive capabilities are the following: discovery or identify adversary's past activity, detect or identify adversary's current activity, deny or prevent adversary's activities, disrupt or interrupt adversaries' activities or flow of information, degrade or reduce effectiveness or efficiency of adversaries' activities or flow of information, deceive or mislead an adversary, destroy or damage adversaries in infrastructure so it won't function. This slide depicts an application of the courses of action matrix as illustrated in a paper published by Hutchins et al. At Lockheed Martin. For instance, during the reconnaissance phase, a firewall ACL will deny the successful execution of that kill chain stage. Another example is the use of an inline antivirus to stop the successful execution of delivery stage of the kill chain.